So when we have momentum roughness length for the weather station and instantaneous wind speed for the day of the year, we can now compute the friction velocity let's name it star friction velocity for the station from the equation that is given in the manual expression, and we just k multiply u2, so instantaneous wind speed divided to logarithm 2 at 2 meters of height u2 equals to u2 momentum roughness length for the station, and we call our variable and of course let's print our u star STN. Let's run it. So this is our friction velocity at the weather station. We can round it to 0.87.